Rising, Mr. Burton. How you feeling today, King? Feeling awesome. Feeling mighty. Feeling worthy of the abundance that you were going to receive. Breaking all generational curses. Handsome. Beautiful. Resilient. Debonair. Intelligent. Wise. Humble. Strong. Courageous. It's the 41 years, dog. Where you been at, boy? Been through a lot, my nigga. God, you're still able to smile and pull it off day by day, man. And let you know OG is with you. You feel me? Groom yourself, keep yourself shaded up real nice. Yeah. Make 2022 a new year, man. It's gonna be a new year regardless, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta do your due diligence and make sure that it's highly effective and beneficial towards you, you know? That's why you're here. Your existence matters, soldier. Your existence matters, king. Your existence matters, God body. Be the light, my nigga. Even in the midst of the darkness, be the light. That's what they don't want you to be. You know what I'm saying? And when you say they, you mean the haters. When you say they, you mean the naysayers. They talked about Jesus too. You know what I'm saying? Marcus Garvey, Haile Selassie, they talked about everybody that made a way and paved the way and was different, and you know what I'm saying, stood for a different purpose and motivation, you feel me? Even with your flaws, bro, you good. Just stand. You can't do nothing else, so I'll just stand. You feel me? Peace to you, God body. Stay strong. I love you, my nigga. Don't nobody love you. I love you. You feel me? You know where we come from. You know where we come from. You feel me? Skullduggery and everything around it. So do what you do, man. Great expectations for you, King. Love you.